Hello everyone, hi, I'm Rituparna Oja and here we are to discuss about BIM. But what is in BIM? BIM for structural engineers, alright? So previously we have learned about the whole through of BIM knowledge. Now let's specify it especially for structural engineers. So when we learn about BIM, there is a multiple terms, multiple speciality available there. But when it comes to structural, their field is very restricted. Only the experienced people got to know what the field works on, how the field works on. But when it comes to unexperienced people, when they're going to start it, they have very less knowledge about what to start, how to start. So let's learn about these things, how you can start as a structural engineer in terms of BIM. So previously we already know about what is BIM. So now what I'm going to tell you about is structural BIM. So here, how we have involved multiple softwares in regarding to multiple disciplines of engineering. Here I'll be talking about more structural engineering. So as you already know, in structural engineers, we have multiple divisions. So let it be concrete, let it be steel, let it be any kind of subjects, let it be timber. So these things are very much new for the freshers. So how they can start up as a fresher, as a structural engineer? First, they have to start with the drafting tools. So for the drafting tools, we have many softwares available. Let it be AutoCAD, let it be Revit, let it be ETABS, so many softwares are available. Similarly, once we finish off drafting, then we'll go for modeling softwares. Similarly, how we learned about it, like architectural designs, we have a structural modeling tools also. Let it be again Revit structure, let it be ETABS, let it be Tekla, there are multiple softwares are available. So once we learn how to draft it, how to model it, then it becomes a little bit idea what we are going to work on it. Then slowly we can go into analysis mode. And analysis is the major part of structural engineering. So simply if I can say what we do in analysis, we got to know how the building stabilizes. So in architecture designs, what we do, we plan a building, we design a building, we model a building. Now in structurals, what we do, we make sure the building stabilize. The building, let it be any kind of load comes up or any kind of exterior hurdles comes up, it can withstand all those things. So how to do these things will be all learned in particular softwares. So once the analysis is done, the next step is to detailing. Detailing has to be done properly so that only it can go forward to the next engineer and they can calculate how we can create the proper dimensioning of building. Then after it, we have to do renders, then we have to do report creation and multiple things involves in structural designing. So all these things sounds very big, very tough. But once you start learning the software, it becomes very easier, or you can say you can get a path through how to break a structural engineer smoothly. So once you finish this, you will be having a very good knowledge about how to start as a structural engineer. So you can start with a basic and you will be having a proper knowledge of 3D modeling, also designing and analysis. So as we got to know how as a structural engineer we can start up with the softwares in BIM. Now learning these things, we can create a huge environment for those people, those civil engineers who wants to come as a structural engineers. Thank you so much.